Welcome to the new Packaging and Crating Technologies facility. We make all types of crating. Anything from a corrugated crate to a wooden crate. We have a military DoD crate. We have fireproof paper that puts out lithium battery fires. If you can tell us what your issue is with your product, we have a solution. We build crating from the size of a football to 47 foot long, 90 inches wide, holding 30 tons. We're a full heat-treated facility. Those are our military crates. They're called lift vans that ships military goods and household goods all over the world. Nothing leaves our facility that isn't ISPM 15 certified. This allows us to ship crates anywhere in the world. We have a full wood making facility. We can make you a wooden crate. If that's what your customer's into, we can make you the corrugated crate. We prefer to move people towards the corrugated crate because wood's a reverberator. So if you hit it with 9 Gs on the inside of the crate, you get 9 Gs. With our corrugated crate, if the outside gets hit with 9 Gs, on the inside, you get 0.0025 Gs, saving your product any vibration. Thank you for visiting our facility. Please give us a call and see us online.